Alright guys, how's it going? So in this video we're going to be taking a look at the Premium Bandai Master Grade G-Parts Hrududu and the Hrududu deployment colors, which is what you're seeing here. There's two different versions of this Master Grade Hrududu set that were sold as P-Bandai items, and I've got one of the deployment colors here and then two of the regular colors, so we're going to be taking a look at some different combinations of them and all the cool stuff that you can do with them. So now as you're seeing it now, this is just the basic Hrududu. And it's kind of hard to get on camera just because of the long shape of it, but hopefully you guys are able to get a good idea of this. It's very cool looking. It definitely sort of looks like a flyer, but I think it more definitely looks obviously like parts that will go onto something else. So once you've got this all on the Master Grade Hazel or the Master Grade Advanced Hazel in this case, which we'll be using for this one, then it's going to look pretty cool. So we'll first off just take a look at the Hrududu in deployment colors here and then put this onto the Advanced Hazel to make the Hazel Rah. And then we'll take a look at the regular Hrududu in the dual combination form. That's basically where you have two Hrududus combined together, flying like this, and then we'll put those onto the regular Hazel to make the Hazel Rah second form. So I know that sounds like a lot of mumbo jumbo, but just stick with me. We're going to make some really cool Hazels in this video, so let's check it out. So just a reminder as to what all you get included with the Hrududu. You do get this action base here itself, so that's nice. If you aren't going to actually putting this on the Hazel, you can just keep it on the action base or use the action base with the Hazel, seeing as how the Master Grade Hazel or Advanced Hazel don't come with an action base, so you'll have that included. You also have this really awesome set of decals included with this, so you'll be able to use those on the Hrududu. Both the different versions of the Hazel also came with their own set of decals, but then you get some more markings with these, basically just markings for the Hrududu itself. And then you get a bunch of different like attachment pieces for putting the parts of this onto the Hazel, including an action base adapter here, which I've got there on the back. But essentially, this thing is made up of a few different sections. We have the long rifle part there on the bottom, and like the two wing parts are for the different sides of that. Those like have some articulation in this if you wanted to move those around a bit to like change the angle and not have them flat or whatever. And then there's a bunch of other different parts here that are all kind of mashed together that will separate out and then plug onto different parts of the Hazel for that transformation. So all in all, it's quite cool. This part itself doesn't really do anything. You have these parts which will attach like onto the front of the chest. So that's just kind of like that, but some nice color separation in there with the gray and the yellow and all that poking out. It is a Master Grade after all, so you would hope it to be pretty good in terms of its color separation and all that. On the other side, this part does open up to hold the long rifle in there, so that can be sticking out of that. Again, that's for the different forms of that. This part also extends out like that for some different combinations. Again, there's a lot of different stuff that you can do with this, so we'll look at some of that. The parts for the long rifle itself can be broken up into a couple parts that will be connected together onto the included beam rifle that comes with the Master Grade Hazel. If you want to have that on there to make it into the actual long rifle. This itself can't actually be made into a rifle. There's no handle or anything for this. So I've got the Master Grade Advanced Hazel here. Let me put all this stuff onto it and we'll make the Hazel Rah. Alright, so I'm doing it a little bit differently because the manual for the regular Hrududu shows you how to put the parts on for making the Hazel Rah onto the Hazel Custom, not onto the Advanced Hazel. The Advanced Hazel has a little bit different equipment on there, so it's a little bit different. The backpack part is different, so you definitely make sure you keep your spare parts if you wanted to do this. Because the backpack is a little bit different on the Advanced Hazel from the Hazel Custom. To make the Hazel Rah, you need to have the backpack of the Hazel Custom, so just, again, make sure you keep those spare parts if you want to be able to use this with that. And also, it has the extra sub-arms on the front skirt, which you can use or not use if you want, but I just kept them on for the time being as how they fit on there. But anyway, also, I do have to admit how much the long rifle parts added onto the regular beam rifle improved the look of that. A lot of people, I think, fairly complained about the look of the beam rifle with the Master Grade Hazel kit as being very plain looking, and it definitely doesn't look so plain looking anymore. It looks super cool now with the extended parts on there. It is definitely going to be very back heavy and probably unable to stand without the extra support there, so you are going to need to keep this on either like a double stand or standing on the ground like this with a stand to hold up the backpack. So you are going to be a little bit limited in how you're going to be posing the kit because of that. So just so much weight extending out off the backpack, and honestly the backpack connection onto the back of the kit is not that strong either. But anyway, let's move on to take a look at the regular color Hrududu parts in the dual combination form. And here it is. So this is what you can make when you have two Hrududus combined together to make the dual combination form, and it's pretty cool. Like the open jaw kind of claw things there at the bottom. You don't have to have open, but doing that, and you stick the long rifles out the back, and it just looks pretty cool. You can also stick some beam saber effect parts in the little bit there in the open claw jaw bit there. You could stick the long rifle parts in there out the front as well. It just kind of is all up to you how you want to arrange those. This is just how it's done in the manual. It's so impressive. I actually kind of want to have another set to just to leave like this and not actually have attached onto a Hazel, just because it's just such a cool thing just as it is for itself. I want to say flyer, but I mean, yeah, it's like a flyer, but it's just so strange, just the collection of parts there, and that's one thing that's just really cool about Advance of Zeta stuff, but somehow it comes together and looks really cool. Okay, it's getting hard to capture this thing in frame, but here it is, the Hazel Rah second form, and this thing is a beast. I will mention that you do need to complete this form, you do need 2 of the booster shields, so you will have to have either the booster set or the Advanced Hazel. If you recall, the Advanced Hazel Masquerade did come with 2 booster shields. If you're going to be doing this like this with the regular Hazel Custom, that only came with 1 shield, so you'll have to have the extra booster shield set, or the Advanced Hazel. So anyway, you will have to do that to make this super booster shield there on the arm, and wow, this thing is just pretty crazy. This is definitely the full armor ultimate form of the Hazel. Well, no, I guess there are still other forms of the Hazel that aren't yet covered, but this is definitely an ultimate form of the Hazel, we can say that. And yeah, it's just really hard to kind of grasp, so I'm glad that you guys are able to see this in like a 360 view. And I was trying to take a couple of photographs of this first, and it's just really hard to photograph because there's just so much going on. It's just kind of hard to get any sort of like good angle to show this from in order to like see actually what's going on. It's such a mess, and I think some of you might be thinking like, oh, that just looks like a big mess, I don't want to deal with that. But I don't know, for Advance of Zeta fans like me, this is looking pretty cool. It's definitely going to be a little bit of a task to get everything like balanced and posed right, and I think probably what I'll end up having to do in the end is probably pinning a couple of joints like in the waist. So like the parts that are attached onto the front of the skirt there on the front of the waist section will be drooping down a little bit, and then obviously you need a stand for the backpack as well, so just kind of the weight distribution of everything kind of is thrown off a little bit. There you go, Masquerade Hrududu is something I never thought we'd see actually get made. And I'm just really super glad that Bandai went ahead and made this, and glad that I got a few of them so that I can make these really cool forms of the Hazel. Definitely recommend if you guys are fans of Advance of Zeta. Even if you were a little bit unimpressed by the Hazel, I think getting a Hazel and then outfitting it with this definitely makes it a lot more cool. You can make this in high grade form as well, but it's going to cost quite a lot, probably more than these Masquerade sets, just because of the rarity of the Hrududu and the Primrose parts sets in HG form. But anyway, guys, huge thank you again to USA Gundam Store for sponsoring this review. Do check the link to their site there down below. You can use my coupon code there, ZakuAurelius10, and save 10%. They do have P-Bandai stuff. I'm not sure what they might have left in terms of this Advance of Zeta stuff, but you can check it out there on their site. You can pre-order other things as well, so when you know something's coming up for pre-order, check their site and get your pre-orders in there. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully this review was helpful or informative, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Hey! Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, if you want to check the kit out for yourself, you can head over to USA Gundam Store. Use that coupon code ZakuAurelius10. Save yourself 10%. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.